Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best resistance band home gym that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the TUKO Home Resistance Training Kit. This product is perfect for those looking for an all-in-one solution for body weight and resistance training. It includes a body weight resistance strap, 2 extension straps, 2 exercise bands with handles, foot cradles, and a door anchor. The durable nylon straps and TPR handles can withstand up to 500 pounds of body weight and over 1,000 pounds of resistance, making it an excellent choice for strength training enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the TUKO kit is its ultra-sturdy build quality. The machine-stitched polyester fiber and heavy-duty nylon components ensure long-term durability, while the memory sponge door anchor adds an extra layer of stability during workouts. Setup is quick and easy, and the adjustable buckle system lets you use it indoors or outdoors, whether attached to doors, rafters, or trees. It's portable, lightweight, and takes minimal space, ideal for anyone who wants to stay fit on the go. Despite its versatility, the TUKO kit is best suited for lighter to moderate workouts rather than those requiring heavy resistance. Its price of $49.98 makes it a good mid-range option for beginners and intermediate fitness users. However, advanced users may find the resistance levels slightly limiting compared to other products on this list. Overall, it's a solid and reliable option for full-body workouts. Pros: durable materials, versatile setup. Cons: limited maximum resistance. Next up, at number 4, is the Hotwave portable exercise equipment with 16 gym accessories. This versatile kit includes a 20-in-1 foldable push-up board, 6 resistance bands, a 3-section fitness bar, 2 ankle straps, a door anchor, and even an ab roller wheel. It's designed to replace bulky gym machines, offering a compact yet comprehensive workout solution for your entire body, whether you're targeting your chest, triceps, shoulders, or back. This kit provides a convenient way to train at home or on the go. The push-up board is a standout feature, with color-coded zones that help you target specific muscle groups efficiently. The resistance bands are made from durable latex, and the ABS plastic push-up board is sturdy enough for long-term use. The ab roller wheel adds a layer of core strengthening to your workouts, making this kit well-suited for both beginners and advanced users. However, the resistance bands max out at 180 pounds, which might be limiting for those seeking heavy resistance training. At $49.99, the Hotwave kit offers excellent value for its range of accessories and versatility. It's ideal for users who want a portable gym system that covers a wide range of exercises without breaking the bank. Pros: comprehensive accessories, ergonomic design. Cons: medium resistance levels, less durable than premium options. Coming in at number 3 is the Hotwave push-up board fitness system. Priced at $53.19, this kit is slightly more expensive but packs a punch with its upgraded push-up board and multiple resistance bands. It's designed to offer over 30 exercise modes, targeting muscle groups like the chest, shoulders, abs, biceps, and back. This makes it a versatile option for users looking to improve coordination, build endurance, and increase flexibility. One of the highlights of this product is its unique push-up board, which includes multiple color-coded positions for more professional muscle training. The board is made from ABS ductile plastic for enhanced durability and features non-slip handles to reduce joint pressure. The latex resistance bands are eco-friendly and provide smooth, consistent tension during workouts. Additionally, the package includes an instructional guide to help users maximize their fitness routine. While the Hotwave push-up board fitness system stands out for its durability and versatility, it doesn't include an ab roller wheel like some other kits on this list. It's a great choice for anyone focused on upper body training, but it's slightly less comprehensive than other multi-accessory kits. Pros: sturdy design, versatile push-up board. Cons: fewer accessories compared to similar priced products. At number 2, we have the MQRW push-up board home gym system, which is also the most budget-friendly option on our list at $42.99. Despite its low price, this kit doesn't skimp on accessories. It includes a foldable push-up board, 6 resistance bands, a 3-section bar, 2 ankle straps, a door anchor, and even an ab roller wheel. This makes it a great entry-level choice for anyone looking to start their home fitness journey without investing too much. The push-up board features a custom design with color-coded zones that enhance exercise efficiency by 80%. The 6 resistance bands allow for a variety of intensity levels, making it suitable for users of all fitness levels. The ab roller wheel adds a core strengthening component, and the compact design ensures it's easy to store or travel with. However, the ABS plastic used in the push-up board isn't as durable as the premium materials found in higher-end kits. Overall, the MQRW system is perfect for beginners and budget-conscious buyers who want a comprehensive workout solution. It's versatile, portable, and offers great value for the price. Pros: affordable, wide range of accessories. Cons: durability may be an issue with prolonged use. And finally, at number 1, we have the Coutai's Pilates bar kit with resistance bands, the premium option in this lineup at $60.97. This kit is designed for serious fitness enthusiasts, offering up to 270 pounds of resistance via 6 latex exercise bands. It's an excellent choice for strength training, endurance building, and explosive power exercises, making it one of the most versatile and heavy-duty products on the market. The Pilates bar itself is made from steel pipes wrapped in thick foam padding, ensuring comfort and durability during intense workouts. The kit includes 2 non-slip foot straps, 2 door anchors, 2 exercise handles, 2 ankle straps, a workout guide, and a portable bag for easy transport. The quick assembly system and adjustable strap length make it user-friendly, while the high-resistance bands mimic the effects of dumbbells and barbells for advanced muscle training. While the price is higher than other options, the Coutai's kit delivers exceptional build quality and performance. It's ideal for advanced users who want a portable alternative to traditional gym equipment. Pros: high resistance levels, premium materials. Cons: higher price point, less beginner-friendly. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.